Mabuhay! This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao. Good morning everyone. Today is November 1, 2023. As we all know, November 1 and 2 is the holidays here in the Philippines because it's been the tradition and culture of our fellow Filipinos celebrating All Saints Day and All Souls Day. It means the people of the Philippines mostly are they go to a cemetery to visit their loved ones. They offering flowers, candles, and prayers. And of course, part of their culture and traditions is to bring food. And also gatherings, special gatherings and reunion for their loved ones. Uh, but as for me, this kind of tradition and cultures, yes, we will celebrate, not necessarily every November 1 and 2 to remember of our loved ones who departed from us. But every day, we can visit to a cemetery kung asa sila nakabirid. You can visit to them, palinisan nyo yung puntod nila to clean the place, but not necessarily in November 1 and 2. But since it's our tradition, it's been our culture to celebrate November 1 and 2, walang problema yon sa akin. Yes, ako nakabisit na ako sa mama ko 14 days ago during my birthday, October 18. I offer my mom flowers and to remember with her, to reminisce my mom the happy times. Maybe this afternoon or this evening, I will visit again para malinisan yung place ng mama ko kung saan siya nakabirid. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always watching me, subscribing me, and thank you for following me. This is Alexi from the Philippines.